Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a VeraPlus Smart Home Controller gateway and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this device not connecting to Wi-Fi, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your devices, or if it seems to be not responding, if it's sluggish, whatever, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you are setting this up in a new home, or for whatever reason, you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. All we need to do is come over here and find the reset button. There's the select button, the sync button, and then just to the right of that is the reset button. And we're going to come in there and we need to press the reset button 6 times in 6 seconds. 6 times in 6 seconds. And if you hit it 6 times in 6 seconds, that will initiate a full reset of the unit to its default out-of-the-box settings. It'll clear all the accounts out and everything like that. And the power LED will blink to confirm that the full reset has occurred, and you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.